You two play a game. Okay, every.
What game?
Among Us?
Okay. Yeah, it's a very simple number game. We have a few numbers which are positive integer less than 100. So in other words, these are one single digit or two single digit. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. Okay.
Yeah.
Eric, you play first. You go first. Okay. And Ryan,
So what are you doing?
What you do?
Okay, so it's a simple game. So Eric, you can choose to pick all the one-digit numbers, or pick all the two-digit numbers. So you can choose whether you want all the single digits or the two-digit numbers.
Like that.
Yeah, you pick one, you make a choice, and the Ryan automatically gets the other half numbers. Right?
I don't get it.
And then whoever is bigger is...
The sum is bigger than you win. For example, in this case,
I
what
don't
you?
get it.
Okay, so you can choose
you
all
are-
the single digits,
Yeah.
which is 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum is 10.
Yeah.
Or you can choose all the two digits,
Yeah.
which is 15.
Yeah.
Which would you choose?
15.
Yeah, of course. Then you choose 15, and then you will win because you have a
That's
bigger number.
kinda dumb game.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so do you get it right? Okay, another way. So the question is that can you always win? By picking
What if
the
they're both
single
e-
digits
what
or
if they
the.
both- What if they both equal the same number?
Yeah, that's what I was going to tell. That's a very good point. Yes, if some of the same, then Ryan you win. Okay, for example,
But then
if this is 10, okay,
it-
so can you choose? Can you win, Eric? Can you win by picking? The question is, can you win by picking the single digits or either single digit or the two digits? The answer is no, because if you pick single digit, you get 10. You pick a double digit, you get a 10. You cannot win.
Yeah, but then why do I win?
So okay, so if Eric doesn't win, then you win. Yeah, because Eric's target is to pick a set of numbers
Yeah,
which
but-
have a sum that's strictly bigger than
So
yours.
so if it's a draw, whoever goes first loses.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but it depends on the array.
Yeah. Okay. So how can we solve this? How can we solve this?
Get all of the.
All the single digit numbers are going to be 0 to 9.
Okay. And then so for example, this is numbers. How can we
Every
solve
number
this
that's
problem?
0, 1, every number that's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9
Yes.
goes away.
Okay.
And
And then what are we checking? What are we checking?
A bigger thing.
So okay. So put it this way. In what cases you will definitely win?
If there's.
if
If
you go second and there is a draw.
What?
If it's not a draw.
If it's not a draw, then you win. Yeah.
No,
So
if
we
it's
just
a-
want to
if
find out the sum of the both single digits or double digit. If it's not the same, then you're winning. Otherwise, Ryan is winning, right? So we can just do this, right? So we go through the array. We iterate over the array. We sum up the single digits and we sum up the double digit, and then we check the sum. If it's equal, Ryan wins. If it's not equal, Eric wins. Got it?
Okay.
Is it a good game?
No.
No. What do you think of it?
It's 2 out of star rating. Would not recommend.
Okay, so we okay, so right, we want to calculate the sum of the both sides, right? So basically there are two sets of numbers: the numbers which are single digit, the number which are not single digit, and we want to compare the sum. And then we can actually use one variable. We go through this array. If it's a single digit, which is less than 10, we add it, we accumulate it. If it's a double digit, we subtract. And at the end, what should we say? If the s is equals to 0, then it means it's a draw, right? Yeah, because the single digit we accumulate. The double digit we take it away, right? Subtract, right? And at the end, if it's the same, the sum is the same, it should be 0. Am I right? Define is Eric winning
Is Eric winning?
numbers, we give me the numbers. Okay, so sum s equals 0 for I in numbers. If I smaller than 10, if it's a single digit, then we accumulate it. Otherwise, we take away the number and then we just have to check return s equal 0. Simple, right? Look, we can actually we can swap this, right? If it's smaller than 10, if it's a single digit, we can take away, and then if it's two digit, we accumulate some. It's the same thing, right? Okay? Because the answer is that bless you. The answer is that if the sum is 0, if the sum of both sides equal, then Eric is winning, otherwise not. Okay, the last question, what's the time complexity?
O-N.
N is the number of the elements
I
in
said
the
that
array.
very fast.
What's the space complexity? O?
1.
Yeah, O1, because we're using the constant space.
Yeah.
What have you learned?
Not much.
Not much.
Okay, so describe the game and that's it. What's the solution? You know, just talk to me. What's the game and that's it.
There's some numbers.
Yeah.
You could either choose all the 1 digits or 2 digits.
Yeah.
And if it's a draw and you go first, you lose. If it's not a draw and you're dumb, you lose. And if it's a draw and you actually know, and you choose one greater than that, you win. Dumb.
But, okay. So there's no dumb thing. Okay, so you always
You
play.
are dumb.
Eric always play optimum. Okay. Yeah. Of course, if Eric can pick 15, you will pick 15 instead of 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see for today. Bye bye.
Bye.